We are currently on question 43. This is a question on circle geometry. We are given a diagram. The question says in the diagram below, O is the center of the circle, which you have here. O is the center of the circle. And you are told that if angle TUR is equals to 50 degrees, angle TUR, that will be the angle here, is equals to 50 degrees, find the value of angle TOR. That will be the angle at the center that will be formed downwards in this direction. So basically this is the angle we are looking for, the angle TOR, the angle that should be here. So I could call this angle, let's say, could just call it, let's know this is the angle we are looking for. We could call it angle theta. Now if this is angle theta, we need to recall in circle geometry. In circle geometry, we need to recall two interesting rules. That angles formed in the same segment, are equal. That is why from this diagram we have here, if the angle here is x, likewise the angle here would also be x, because they are in the same segment. So from the question completing the diagram, if the angle here is 50 degrees, the angle here should also be 50 degrees. But the question exactly says we should find angle TOR, which is angle theta. Now also come to realize that the angle which is formed at the circumference, which are angles x and angle x, are always half of the angle that will be formed at the center in the same direction. Notice this angle is formed formed upwards, while the angles also formed too at the circumference of the circle are also formed upwards. So we need to recognize this important principle, that the angle at the center is twice the angle subtended at the circumference. So basically from this point we can therefore say that if we have the angle here at the circumference to be 50 degrees, if the angle at the circumference is 50 degrees, you can therefore say that theta will be twice the angle at the circumference. That means theta will be twice of 50 degrees. That means 2 times 50 will give me the value of theta. So therefore,
did you enjoy the video? Get a prep class tutor today. Call 080-59-811-502 or 090-3532-1117.